Hi students, I want to tell you today how to use the program Annotate in order to do the assignment, the 4 questions written by Allegra Goodman, and we're really excited. She will be our guest, and we're really honoured that she agreed to come to be our guest in our next session. So in order to prepare for this exciting session, I want you to go here to this link, and it opens up a site called Annotate. You are going as a guest, so you need to write your name whenever you write anything on the site. Now, it's actually the whole of the text, and there are 16 pages. According to what group you're in, you'll have to concentrate on 2 pages, only 2 pages, but you'll need to read the whole article. So read it first, try and understand. There's a lot of connections here to Judaism. It's very difficult to understand if you don't know a lot about Judaism. But what you'll need to do is to find expressions that are connected. I'm just going to go on the first page. If I wanted to go on another page, page 13, I could just click on page 13 and 13 would come up. Okay? I'm going back to number 1 though. And here is the assignment written here, what you have to do. So I'm looking for words and things connected with Judaism, things that aren't so clear. And I'm going to ask 5 questions, and then I will answer 5 questions of other people on the 2 pages for my group. So I'm going to take the word Passover. As soon as I click on the word, go over the word, then this screen comes up with the word Passover on the top. That's the word I've chosen. Now I can choose the color I'm going to be, and I'm going to be this color the whole time. So let's say I'm going to be yellow, I'll be yellow the whole time. And first of all, I'm going to write my name, otherwise you won't know who I am. The next thing I'm going to do is to write my question. So my question is, when is Passover? What is the connection between Passover and the title of the text, of the story, the 4 questions? Okay? That's my question, and then I click Save. When I click on Save, my question immediately appears here on the side. Okay? Now, I just wanted to call your attention to these buttons at the top here. Automatically, the questions appear on top of the text, but it's hard to read, so I always move them to the side. But when I click on this, it will immediately light up the side. And I've got 3 options: to edit, to reply, or to delete. Now let's say I'm somebody new coming in and I want to answer questions. I click on reply. I get this again, and I'm a different person, so I'll be a different color. And then I'll write Passover is in the spring. Okay? Well, I can go into detail. It's called Passover because the angel passed over the houses and without killing the Jews at the time. And what's the connection with the title? And I go into detail. The Passover is a service, is a ceremony that takes place in families, and the tradition that the youngest person asks 4 questions, and you go into detail. Okay, and then you do save. Okay, I think that's clear. So that's all you have to do. Now, it works out that it's very collaborative because each one is writing and adding, and together we get a lot of information together between us. So that's the purpose of this assignment. So I'm sure you'll have a nice collaborative session together. And then when we come to speak to our guest on the 10th, you will be asking the questions, and please make sure that you have microphones so you can do that. Okay, so enjoy. I think it's an enjoyable text and assignment. Thank you.